Whenever you consider taking a loan, it is important to know how the lender is. Oftentimes, some lenders on the internet actually just take your private information and sell it to other companies. In order to avoid getting scammed like this, it is important to know the details of a lender. Today, we will be reviewing Quick2lend to see whether it is a reliable service to connect you to lenders or just another scam. What is Quick2lend? Quick2lend is not actually a lending company itself. They connect those looking for loans with those who are willing to lend money. According to their webpage, the process of receiving a loan is actually very simple. First, they ask you to fill in an application form that requires minimal information about yourself. Then, the service tries to find a lender who would be willing to lend to you. Finally, once the loan is approved, you will have the amount deposited in your bank account. Quick2lend claims that it is this streamlined, easy process that keeps customers using their loan matchmaking service. They say that another advantage of using this service is that it does not involve waiting for days. Upon acceptance, your funds are deposited directly into your bank account. Is Quick2lend legitimate? The age of a domain is a good way to figure out whether a business is trustworthy. Using the WOIS domain age checker tool, we were able to find out that the age of this domain is 4 years and 11 months. This reflects well on Quick2lend as being a legitimate business, as websites with older domains generally belong to more reputable businesses. Furthermore, Quick2lend also has a social media presence. Generally, scammers do not make the effort to create social media accounts and maintain them. Another proof that solidifies Quick2lend as being a legitimate business is its ranking on scamadvisor.com. Quick2lend has an extremely high trust score of 100/100 on scamadvisor.com. What this means is that the likelihood of Quick2lend being a scam is very low. To add to this, Quick2lend also has a valid HTTPS and has not been blacklisted on any search engines. Additionally, extensive contact information has been provided on their webpage, including a contact number, a physical address, as well as an email. Well-established reputable businesses always provide appropriate contact information, so this speaks well of Quick2lend as being a legitimate business. To add to this, Quick2lend has been a member of the Online Creditors Association for 14 years now, and so this provided a certain legitimacy to Quick2lend as being an established business in its industry. Unfortunately, we were not able to find any customer reviews of Quick2lend. Customer reviews provide excellent insight into whether or not a business deserves your trust. We tried searching for reviews across multiple platforms, such as Facebook and Quora. However, we were not able to find any reviews. What did the customers say? As already mentioned above, there are no customer reviews of Quick2lend. Without any customer reviews, there is no way for us to learn what people's experiences using Quick2lend's services have been in the past. We would greatly appreciate it if anybody who has used Quick2lend's services in the past could share their experiences so that we can guide others better. What are the charges for using Quick2lend services? Quick2lend does not charge a fee for getting a loan using its services. This basically means that you will be charged $0 for using their matchmaking services. Interest charged would differ from lender to lender, hence we cannot comment on that. What happens when you can't make a loan payment on time? By taking a loan, you agree to pay both the interest and the principal amount of funds within the agreed time period. Quick2lend chooses to only keep lenders who take reasonable and fair actions when they are not paid back on time. However, in the case of a non-payment or a partial payment, Quick2lend would have no say on what action the lender can take or what extra costs the lender can impose on you if you do not make payments as agreed. Loan renewal policies. As the option to renew a loan is not always available, it is a good idea to check in with your lender before you get into an agreement. Before signing, it is crucial that you read what the renewal policy mentioned in the agreement is. Collection practices. As Quick2lend is not a lender, they do not have any involvement in any part of the debt collection process. You should check what your lender's debt collection practices are in the lending agreement provided to you. If you disagree with something or have questions, you should contact the lender. Quick2lend says on their webpage that they only allow lenders that use fair debt collection practices on their platform. Should you use Quick2lend services? Quick2lend shows all the signs of a legitimate business. With a very high trust score and all the necessary contact information provided, there is no indication to suggest that Quick2lend might be a scam. If you want to receive a loan within a short period of time without having to pay excessive fees to a facilitator, then Quick2lend is the place for you.